Alright. Well, guys. Gonna be swapping out this eBay one for my new eBay one right here. Bam! A bunch of wires. Let's see if I can get this. This is the Android 10.1. Shaky video, wait up. Size comparison. Look at that. Huge. It's gonna be this big. Dang. So we have the basic wiring. I don't have the reverse camera because it came with that one already, so I'm just gonna use that one. But I'm not gonna install it. Don't need it. But I am gonna hook up this right here. This is my dash cam. I'm gonna hook it up to this one. And if you guys didn't know, my interior is dirty as balls. It's bad. Got my PlayStation Classic on the side. I'm gonna hook that up too. Alright. First things first, gonna take everything off. Took out my cup holder. Gotta take off my shift knob and the boot. And I'm gonna be removing all the screws. So let's get it. You're gonna take out these bolts. Make sure you put them somewhere safe. I'll put them in the cup holder. Way easier. Next, if you have hella bolts on the side, you gotta take those off. I only have one. That's about it. And here's my gauge for my air setup. Take that off. Alright. Got all the bolts out. Just gotta pop this side. I'm not missing a bolt. Just gotta pop it out. Okay. I'll slide this out. Kind of tricky since this part is gonna touch. Let me try one hand. Damn. Set it aside with the rest of my junk. And here we go. Take this one out, this one. You got another one right here, another one right here. So it's all disconnected. Or I took off all the bolts already. Now you just gotta take the little, whatever that box is, cigarette lighter or coin pocket, whatever. Take that out. Pull this out. You see the wiring in the back. You gotta disconnect all those, including the one that goes to the cigarette lighter. Let me pull it out real quick. Alright, you got it out. Well, I just disconnected the cigarette lighter one, it's easier. But I pulled the whole thing out. So, I'm gonna deal with this mess. Luckily, I just put electrical tape on all of it. Alright, cool. I got the harness off. Now, I have to take off the OEM bracket from this double din. and try to figure a way out to put the brackets onto those. But I have a feeling you do have to keep the stock one. Okay, I ain't got no workbench, so I'm doing it in the car. Alright, bam, done. I can use this as reference, I think. Maybe not, but whatever, it's out. It is out. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take these brackets and I need to fit it on here, these two, and then on this side also. So I might as well just work on fitment first, because I gotta put it on here. You see the backside is slim. So I think I'm gonna put it this way, make sure. Okay, that lines up. I'm doing it this way because it looks like you have to be outwards. Alright, so got the brackets on both sides, but I think we have an issue. You see how, let's see if I lined it up right here with that hole, it would be short on this side. Alright, so the first issue we ran into is this. The bracket is too narrow, even with this on top. It doesn't line up. So what I found out was I leave these on and I'm going to cut this piece and trim a little of this piece off so I could fit this hole and securely mount it with this hole. So hopefully this works out. If not, then dang. Alright, this is what I finally got it down to. I made sure this one fits in. Made room so this hole could go in. On this side, I just trimmed the hole for here so this one could work. This one, it had room for that, so I don't know if you guys could see the bracket from underneath, but I cut it. Alright, so I just finished the harness. If you don't know how to do this, then it's simple. Color to color, you know, breeze. Make sure you have the other harness. This is for the car, this is for the radio. Put everything together. Currently on daddy duty, but he's knocked out. But I got everything ready. Look at that. Bam. Alright, so back in the car. I hooked everything up. Simple. I changed the video format on my phone to, I did it the wrong way, so that's why you guys were probably watching it the long way. So here's another issue I ran into. You gotta take this screen off. You need to bolt these up first, and then you could screw the screen back on. So we're gonna bolt this down and then put my panel back on, and let's see how that goes. Alright, so this is what we have to do. Basically take everything off and screw these four in, plug that cigarette lighter one in, and we'll put the radio on. Alright, so I got that in. Put this in there too because it might be a little harder to put in later. Now it's time to put in this thingy. Alright, another little issue I ran into is these brackets here. It kind of scratched a little bit of this part because you know how I was extending a little farther than normal, but it's in. I just gotta screw those and screw the ones on the sides. It should be good so far. Righty, so we got it, screwed it in. You see how it sticks out a little bit, but you know, from this angle, it don't matter. That's third. Let me get fit that. I can't get fit. There you go. Fifth gear. So it looks like everything is hooked up. If you didn't notice, I still have my USB wires sticking out. I'll tuck them in later. They're gonna go to my dash cam, and I'm gonna set up my PlayStation Classic again, but not yet. And here's the GPS that comes with it. It's a long wire. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm thinking about maybe like this or somewhere up there, probably over there, but I'll just reroute it. All right, let's see how it goes. Hopefully I still have battery. Okay, what does it say? Sure. Present. Not now. Not now. Okay. So it has some weird Chinese music here already. Let's go to Bluetooth. Music. Never heard of Tobu. Let me see. Okay. Everything seems to work. That's the right time. I think it is 6:11. Yep. There you go. Oh man, this thing was a headache. I ain't even gonna lie.